Hello my people, I don't come again for dropping another video. Yes, thank you for una subscribe, una support, una like, una comment. Yes, this picture we una see and so na some man for Delta State for Nigeria where they talk say he sleep with pikin to take give pikin belle. Can you imagine wetin dey happen for our society today? I don't know who will go hide, who will go keep our faces. If it be say the end time the camera will know now, I beg, because when they dey sign for end time, make some of you know the save money so we wan enjoy tomorrow wey we no go fit enjoy am because we be cut up with end time. Yes my people, so una remember the last video wey dem be catch some man for hotel with him own blood wey na him is virginal pikin, he dey see the pikin for hotel. Now again na this one, so wetin we fit talk about this one? Make we talk about this one brother Danny Green wey na our star wey dey come up, he don shine, God don bless it, dem don endorse it. We'll talk about see how it do for Nigeria, wetin dey sup, wetin dey go on. Yes, I watched one live video for Danny Green where he really be humble, he calm down, kneel down, he appreciate he fan them for the much love and the support wey they don't give for this time. He talk say without the fan there be nothing, he be the suffer, he be the make video, the lucky, none man for Cameroon no be can stand for ye, so he want appreciate only he fan the way they be share. Then we'll talk about this new comedy skit where they don't do photo shoot, say they do one planner. So how una see the outlook with the lipstick and the diapers wey he wear them? So I don't really know what I fit talk for this video, but I want to make comment section more discuss to see whether na very good photo shoot so they move on for outside, or if it still be somehow not the way we would think we'll talk about them. Yes, we really appreciate what this one brother they do but notwithstanding we get for talk bring out this point then because of the sister na market. Yes, see Don Jazzy, he said Don Jazzy na adopted father, now why that they want make this kid may I think say go be like father and child's kid, but the picture was okay oh na talk for comment section. We not ever forget this YouTube celebrity Dope Sarah and engagement. Wait una wan make let's say una no go talk about this broken engagement. Una talk about Alex. Yes, Alex began to make a celebrity marriage, same like the one will be the expect from Dope Sarah, because now be YouTube celebrity. If be YouTube celebrity, you now understand. So more talk now, more try to look what if it caused the breakup for this relationship. We know say it be a very difficult time for him now because you know easy for nurse a relationship, then it just be broken after an engagement. So more talk what if it be the reason for this breakup, and what we feel learn, what our youth feel learn, what the upcoming YouTuber they feel learn from this. Is this something that she did wrong that caused the breakup, or is this something that we can try to talk about it or whatsoever? More put and more no they only talk about Nigerian celebrity this. What about our own? It happen for corner we, but you run the stretch for hand, they go now for side away far past we not be leave this thing, we will not talk our celebrity them for YouTube. Yeah, YouTube to don the gay celebrity them. Now wait see, now only put them for Facebook they go be celebrity. So we want to say Dope Sarah, you go take heart for this year relationship, but I think say some things that they where you still get for learn them. Yes, I go further for talk about Altalaku and Kobos, where people they tell me say I be do it for their last video, I be insult them. I not be insult, I be just the talk natty way I see them for social media, and when I the talk negative or positively I still send at their market, because without all this analysis and all this talking about them, people will not know them much even beyond. So when the talk to the say send at their market then, so I don't see any reason for apologize for them about what you are doing. Bye bye, I love